So hello my friends, finally got this H&R lowering springs for my W210. I have got them from Germany. Here you can see the packaging, it is opened. I opened it but have not seen what is inside. I'm going to look it with you. Here is the quick look. As you can see, this is the part number and these are for E430 for my car. Now I will open the box, place the camera on the right angle and see what is inside. Let's have a look on the springs itself. So here we are, guys. Now I will open it and see how the springs itself look. These are for this bad guy, for my E430, for my old Mercedes, but I love it and I like to modify my car. Why not? And on the end of the video I will show you why I am adding these springs on my car. What is in the box? Here we have the letters. This is the detailed explanation of the spring itself, the part number and the weight. Here you can see it weighs about 40 kilograms. It is very heavy, guys. I have to pay much money for transportation, but not a big deal. Here is the certificate. You need it in Germany. In my country, in Georgia, we have no TÜV and other stuff, so we don't need it. Made in Germany, thumbs up. Once again, I love these words and I love the stuff which is made in Germany. Thanks God, they still produce some of the parts and things there. And at least we have this envelope, important information, and here we have all the advices how to change the springs and do other stuff. You know, safety at first, and the company should introduce to you every step which is connected on the job itself, with the job itself. So I don't care about this very much. I want to see how the springs itself look. I already know that they are blue and I like it. I don't like black HRs, I like blue ones. You know, A-Bach and other springs are also black. Let's say be, but HRs must be blue. This blue with Bilstein yellow is simply the best combination you can add on your Mercedes. I don't mean some coilovers, but I prefer this stuff over the coilovers because W210 has something unique suspension. I mean, it is not marked person and other stuff. And here is the first spring, guys. It looks fantastic. The coating and painting on it is very high quality. Itself, the spring looks and feels enough heavy duty. I don't know what is the diameter of the coils, and if we compare it to the stock ones, I don't know which is more strong, but what I see here, I am happy. I paid about 165 euros for this set, and I think this is a very good price. What we have here, guys, 100%. Let's start from the button. The part number of the spring. HA, as I know, means Hinterasche on German. Excuse me, I don't know German language very good. Then 100% made in Germany. What can I say with no comments? And the H and R, J and R, what means I don't know. Excuse me. So guys, here is the spring itself. Now I will try to show you how it is made, the details about it, and what I see here. I like it. It feels enough heavy duty and enough good quality in my hand. I don't know how it will work with my car, but I think that everything will be ok, and I will get the result what I am looking for here, guys. So the H and A once again means hinterasche, and it is rear spring. So now what I showed you was the rear spring. Let's move now and continue our review and see the front ones. Guys, I will not show you the both rear springs, they are identical, only rear and only left and right. Now let's see the front one. Here it is, and what I see here, I can mention that the front one looks much more heavy duty compared to the rear one. Here you can see VA, it means on German the front axle, and HA means the rear axle. This is also 100% made in Germany stuff, and the HR logo is also stamped on it. As I mentioned, I think that the front spring is more heavy duty, and this is not surprise for me because the car W210 weighs much more on front compared to the rear, and the front springs must be more stiff. I think so, and this H&R stuff proves my hypothesis in this situation. I think so. So now, guys, I will compare them to each other and show you what is the difference. As you can see, the distance between the coils is bigger on the front one compared to the rear one, and the rear top coils are much more near to each other compared to the bottom one. So I don't know why it is made so, but these coils have its algorithm how they must work, and let's think that HR knows what they are producing, and the final result I will share you when I install the springs on my car. So guys, I'm very happy now. I wanted them to pick for a very long time, but as I mentioned, there was some problems. It is very heavy item to transport, but I got them at least, and now I am preparing to install them on my car. Now I will show you exactly why I picked this H&R stuff. So my dear friends, here is my car with Bilstein B8 shocks, brand new shocks, and stock factory Avantgarde suspension springs, and here is the gap I have here on the rear of my car, and I don't love it. You can see that my 3 fingers, at least 2 fingers, goes there without any effort, and I think that this is a big gap, and I don't like this. I want that wheel to be near to the fender, and it will be better look for me. That's why I got the springs. I also connected to the HR support staff, and they advised me that the springs will bring me stance I am looking for. This is the front end of my car. Sorry for the dirty car. Here in Georgia we have disgusting weather now, and this is lower than the rear, but I also want to have a little bit of stance here. If then I will have some rubbing issues, I will simply swap the rubber on the tires, and I will reach the looking I am I will reach the result I am looking for now. Once again, I think that this gap is not very attractive. That's why I bought this stuff, guys, and I love it. So my friends, if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. I will try to install them very soon. I want to do the job myself. The rear ones are easy to change, but the front ones on the Mercedes of this era need some special tool. I'm looking forward to order the tool also from Germany, the spring compressor, and then I will do my DIY job. I am thinking that in June of 2022 year I will install them on my car. Once again, thanks for watching. Mm, big respect to everyone, and goodbye.